Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change the user account name in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change the user account name, click on search, type control panel. Now click on control panel here. Control panel has been opened. Now click on View by drop-down menu and select Category. Now click on User Account, change account type. Here I have some users and I'm going to change this Alice account name. Click on this Alice account. Now you will find here some options here. The first option is change the account name. Click on change the account name. Now here you will type the new account name. I'm going to type Tommy and change the account name from Alice to Tommy. And now click on change name button. Look, the account name has been changed. Now close control panel. Now click on start menu and click on the username and look, the account name has been changed to Tommy. If you do not see the account name here, you just need to restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, you will find here the account name has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.